How's it going, guys? Bradley Sutton, Helium 10. We got a cool new feature from Helium 10's Black Box. This is a feature that to me is so powerful. Originally, I was like, Manny, we got to lock this to our elite members and diamond members because this is just too much sauce, too powerful, right? What is that tool? This is Black Box for Keywords, Amazon Phrases Research. Where you can find it is right here in under the second tab, which is keywords right here. And basically it allows us to search a database of keywords instead of just products. All right. You're going to enter here different things that you think might signify opportunity. Okay. So what might some of these be? Let's look at some of these. For example, you could do search volume. All right. So search volume, you could say, hey, show me words that are searched for at least 5,000 times, but no more than 10,000, right? There's other options we've got here. Monthly revenue, like as far as the average products on page 1, what is their average revenue monthly, the estimated, of course, that we're talking about? Or say, hey, the average price, like we want to find only products that are, $100 or more. Okay, or maybe the average price is only about 10 or 15. We continue going on here. There's different ones, like we've got review count, review rating, word count, like, hey, show me only keyword phrases that have at least 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 keywords in it. Now we go on here to the some of the advanced filters, guys, and this is where it really gets interesting. I can actually go right down into the number or a certain category, like maybe this keyword is or maybe the products that show up are mainly from a certain category. I could say, hey, I don't want to see a bunch of maybe wholesale products, so then I would put a max, right? As far as, again, the products on page 1. Best sales period, we've got broad reach potential. I'm going to have to do a video all on that by itself separately. That is something new that we are going to have. I'll get into that in another video. What else kind of options do we have right here? Look here, we can put a keyword into, if we want a certain keyword to be in this phrase. Variation count is also important. Max, like let's say, hey, I'm in the clothing category, but I kind of want to find a great standalone item that doesn't have a lot of colors. Well, I could say, hey, as far as the products on page 1, on average, what is the max number of variations they have? And I could put 2 or something like that there, right? As far as this is a great way to find products, guys. Fulfillment. Imagine what you could do here. Like maybe you're finding a keyword where a lot of the top ones are fulfilled by merchant. They don't even have FBA available. Well, there's another option that we can choose as well. I could exclude keywords, like maybe in some of my searches, Nike keeps coming up or something. Well, I'll go ahead and put something there so that Nike doesn't come up. Monthly sales units average, estimated, the age, how many months old is the listings on page 1. BSR rank, this is a big one right here, competing products, okay? Like maybe I can say, hey, show me a certain keyword where only X number of competitors even come up. Guys, can you understand even without doing this yet how amazing this is? Let's go ahead and do an example right here, all right? I'm going to go ahead and select, let's say, kitchen and dining, all right? And I'm going to say, hey, show me a keyword that's searched for, let's go big, 30,000 times. 30,000 times a month, all right? Maybe the average price, I don't want it to be too expensive, so let's just go from like $8 to $40 or something, all right? How about review count? Like on the average, the review count is less than 100, all right? Now this is a pretty narrow search, all right? So I'm saying review count less than 100 as far as the average reviews on the first page. It's searched for a ridiculous amount of times, 30,000 times. It's in the kitchen and dining category. Now, I could go on all of these other ones and enter it in, but let's go ahead and start with here. This might turn up nothing. It found 7 phrases, all right? Look at some of these. You're going to find brand names here. Like, I don't know what the heck Ray Dunn means, but look at this. Taco holder, okay? Let's look at some of these features right here. It's saying that the average number of reviews is about 65 on page 1 for some of the top ones. Average on some of the top sellers are 7,000. Here's the price, about $18. Search volume, 30,438 estimated search volume per month. I definitely want to take a look at this right here. So let's go ahead and search for this. Let's search for this on Amazon. All right, so here we go. Oh yeah, taco holder. I know exactly what this is. I just like get my tacos and it goes straight from plate to my mouth. No time to put it in a taco holder, but hey, some people want to have some great presentation. Let's take a look at this in X-ray to take a look at some of these numbers here. Yep, there we go. 30,438. Let's zoom in right here. By the way, guys, you like my new fancy computer that can zoom in? Let's look at some of this stuff. We've got 30,000 search volume. All right, let's take a look at some of these sales. You know, no one person is just absolutely killing it outside of this guy right here. All right, so you know that's pretty decent. I like what I see so far. What else do we have? Let's scroll over here on this side. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. Review count. These are the top ones on this page. A 30,000 search volume. And number 2 guy has 13 reviews. Number 3 has 39. Number 1 and 4 only have in the 200s. And everybody else is under 100. That is golden. That is amazing. That means that's a new-ish category, all right? I can look here at the images. Like the number 1 guy only has 1 image. Number 2 guy only has 4 images, all right? Down here only has 1. But right away, guys, this is pretty cool. This is something that I'm not sure I would want to sell. You know, it looks like at these prices, some of the you know, margins might be smaller. Let's just take a look. Let's go really quick. Alibaba.com. Let's look for taco holder. And I'm not saying everybody go out and source taco holders. As a matter of fact, there's going to be about 100,000 people are going to watch this video and think that's what I'm saying to do. Let me look at this first one here. It looks like there's places for three or 2 tacos, looks like. A set of 4. A set of 4, 3 or 2 tacos. Look at this. This looks like the exact same thing right here. Oh, that's an ad. But regardless, $1.43, 90 cents. $1.40. All right. So times that by 4, you could probably talk them down. We're talking $4, $5, $6 with shipping. Let's just, you know, rough estimates. All right. Boom. Sell it for $22 and it costs you $6. Again, guys, this takes a lot more research. I'm not saying everybody go search taco holders right now and source it, but do you guys see how powerful this is? I found that keyword in 20 seconds? And how long would it take you to find a product where it gets this many searches and has this level of competition that doesn't seem very established? Guys, make sure to get in here right away if you're a platinum, diamond, or elite member and play around with black box Amazon phrases research, or also known as black box for keywords. Guys, this is an amazing way to find opportunity for your next product on Amazon.